The trading model is a candlestick configuration consisting of two candlesticks. In fact, this is an absorption. As Linda Rashke said, to make a living at it is enough to trade one pattern. I completely share her opinion. This model works great in any market and allows you to completely formalize the algorithm of the trader's action. Everything is definitely and clear, no ambiguity. In this video, we will look at a simplified classification of the model. A detailed classification you can find in the training manual. In terms of my methodology, the model is direct and reverse. Direct model, this is a model that is reversed according to the trend. Reverse model, it is against the trend. That is, you can trade both model on a rollback, but keep in mind that the reverse model is traded smaller volume and the deal cannot be experienced. Also, models are strong and weak. A strong model is the model in which the bodies are almost the same size, that is, at least 80 absorption and no large shadows. A weak model has inverse characteristics. Let's look at examples from the charts. In more detail about the types of models and the nuances of classification, I will repeat, it is described in the Trading Strategy Manual. In conclusion, I'll say that I think that the essence is clearly what kind of pattern we are looking for on the chart in order to consistently earn a living.